Hello friends, I am Harpal Singh from MindMind Global, and today we are going to discuss why Canada is so popular among Indian students as a study abroad destination. Well, if a student is looking forward to higher education abroad, then the name of Canada ranks really high in his list. This is because of many reasons. First and foremost reason is that it's a very friendly and inviting country, and secondly, it offers a host of choices for the courses. Then comes the opportunity to work and have some experience in Canada while you are studying and also after you complete your studies, and it's also a very affordable destination as compared to other countries. And last but not the least, it also offers immigration or PR opportunities to the students. So let us discuss all these things one by one. So basically, beauty of Canada lies in its multiculturalism. Canada is often called as the land of immigrants, and it ranks third when we talk about the top 3 countries for study abroad destination after US and Australia. At any given point of time, there are lakhs of international students who are studying in the colleges and universities of Canada, and it is not a surprise that 34% of the international student population comes from the Indian students. So India is one of the biggest supplier for these higher education students in Canada. The second most important reason to choose Canada as a study abroad destination is the plethora of choices that it offers to its students. There are a large number of courses available at undergraduate, postgraduate, or at the research level as well. The most popular courses are computer science, business and management, hospitality, where a large number of students enroll themselves, followed by medical science, data science, arts, agriculture, or research. And these days, a lot of new courses such as 3D animation, VFX, gaming, all these have come into picture in the Vancouver area, which is commonly known as the Hollywood of Canada. So students can enroll themselves in traditional courses as well as these new age courses. So whenever a parent or student is choosing a country or a course, the affordability is a very critical point. Now the institutes in Canada are colleges as well as the universities. Now depending on the course you choose, depending on the province or the area where you're going, and depending upon the college or the university, this ranges between 12,000 Canadian dollars to 25,000 Canadian dollars per. And this is not really high if we compare it with other countries. Now the second important aspect is the living expenses. Now it also depends majorly on the city where you are living in and also your lifestyle. So the average expenditure ranges between 10,000 Canadian dollars to 15,000 Canadian dollars per year. Now it should be noted that the accommodation is more expensive when you live inside the campus and less expensive when you live outside the campus. Also, the students generally share their accommodation so as to reduce the living expenses. Now one thing which attracts Canada as a study abroad destination is the work opportunities that it offers to its students. Now the students have a right to work for 20 hours a week if they are studying, they are on study permit, and they can work for 40 hours or full time during their vacations. While they are studying, they also get co-op opportunities or paid internships, which really help them to earn some money for their living expenses, and that also helps them to build good network for their job opportunities. Once the student completes his studies, he is also offered a post-study work permit of up to 3 years. Now if you take admission in a 1-year course, you will get 1 year post-study work permit, and if you successfully complete a course which is more than 2 years, then you get a work permit of 3 years. Now it is also worth mentioning that the Canadian graduates are really preferred by the employers. If you have graduated from any college or university of Canada, definitely the local employers will prefer you because of your Canadian education and also because of your experience while you were studying here. Now last but not the least, Canada is the most popular destination for permanent residency or PR. Canada has a really friendly immigration policies, and that benefits the students who have completed their studies or those who have experience in Canada. Now Canada has an express entry system which is based on points. The students get points for their Canadian education as well as Canadian work experience. Now if you're working in a particular province, that province can also nominate you for immigration, which is also called the provincial nomination. Now we can see that we have a lot of reasons to choose Canada as a preferred country for study abroad if you're looking forward to higher education outside India. There are many reasons as we have discussed, but I think one of the most important reason is that it's a warm and welcoming country, and it offers work opportunities as well as pathway to immigration. Now I'm sure this video was quite helpful to all of you, so don't forget to like it, share it with your friends who are looking forward to study abroad, and also subscribe our channel for more updates and information on study abroad, immigration and test preparation. Thank you.